Splash along the river wide. Meet the creatures by the side. A is for alligator, snapping with might. B is for beaver, building all night. C is for crayfish, crawling the stones. D is for duck, quacking their tones. E is for egret, standing so tall. F is for frog, leaping with a call. G is for goose, paddling with grace. H is for heron, fishing in place. I is for Indian star tortoise, slow and wise. J is for jackdaw, with curious eyes. K is for kingfisher, diving with flair. L is for loon, calling through air. M is for mink, sleek and quick. N is for newt, sliding so slick. O is for otter, playful and bright. P is for pike, lurking from sight. Q is for quail, hiding nearby. R is for river dolphin, swimming so spry. S is for salmon, jumping upstream. T is for turtle, basking in gleam. U is for Yuri, off quite by the stream. For you here, let's use upland sandpiper's dream. V is for volet, darting in grass. W is for water vole, moving so fast. X is for xenopus, a frog of the Nile. Y is for yellow perch, swimming in style. Z is for zebra mussel, tiny and strong, making the river their home all along. Thanks for joining the river romp fun. So many animals, each and every one. Keep exploring near water today. More adventures are just a splash away.